So I'm back with another follow-up video featuring my butter pecan mini waffles. And so I'm just demonstrating some simple plating here. There is the recipe within the description, but I just wanted to do just another quick video just to share just a little bit how I made these. I've done a previous video, but I thought I would just come back and do another one. So I used Smart Bisquick for the waffle mix. And I made a butter pecan sauce. I've done two variations where I made sauce in the microwave and also in the skillet, and they both work perfectly. So how I did this was I melted butter and then I added some vanilla extract, and I'll have listed the kind that I actually used. It's a gourmet kind. And then I forgot to mention in my other video that I added a little bit of stevia within the mix, and then I added chopped pecans, and then I mixed that together with the waffle batter, and then used my mini waffle maker. So I just wanted to come back and do a quick feature of these, and you can see this particular one here, this plate with the sausage, they're actually chicken maple sausages. This plate is for my daughter, and my mother is actually going to be having hers with eggs, but I just wanted to feature these. So again, the recipe will be within the description. These are really easy to make, and so if you do happen to make them, please drop a link below. If you do a video or even some pictures, just leave it in the comments. So I'll be back with more mini meal features soon.